In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can use cover letter templates in Google Docs. So let's get started. Now you have to open your Google Docs first. Click on Google Chrome, maximize it. Make sure you are logged in into an account. Click on this Google Apps and here you'll find Docs. And here you'll find all the templates. Now simply click on this drop down arrow for template gallery. And here you'll find letters, so it's up to you as to what do you like from here. Now let's go with business letter, which is this one. Okay, so you can just simply edit the letter, just simply type your company in here. Okay, the address, the email, the date, and then the recipient of the letter, and then the body of the letter, and then the signature from here on, then your name. Okay, now once you have done editing this, just simply click on this one, File tab, and here you'll find Download. Click on Microsoft Word, and then just simply click on the folder icon, double click on it, and now you can enable editing from here, and this will be open in the Microsoft Word. You can also save this by clicking on this Save button, and that's it. Okay, you can also save this in the desktop by clicking on File, click on Save As, click on Browse, and then choose the desktop from here, and then click on Save. Okay, and now here it is. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.